This is a transistor amplifier circuit board. Here use two transistor 1943, another one is 5200, positive and negative transistor. The positive voltage should be connected here and the negative voltage should be connected here, and this is the ground voltage. The ground voltage should connect here. Speaker output from here, and this is the audio input. We can see this is the negative voltage, this is the positive voltage area. Positive voltage area is here. You can see the positive sign, this is the negative sign. You can see the negative sign, this is the negative connection area. This is the negative transistor, and this is the positive area. Here got positive transistor, here got positive transistor, this one. And these two are the driver transistor. These two are the driver transistor. This is the speaker output from here. This is the speaker output area, and this is the audio input. And whole round is the ground voltage. These two are driver transistor. These two driver transistor need heatsink. These two driver transistor need heatsink because these two driver are makes hot. For this case need the heatsink. I am using the thermal paste. This is a small heatsink I am using here to the driver transistor. This circuit board can make 150 watt maximum. We can use 20 voltage to 70 voltage in this circuit, and we also can change the transistor. One transistor need positive, another one need negative. One pair transistor need to run this circuit. We are using here 5200 and 1943. If you want this circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There are the same circuit diagram. Same circuit diagram link have in the comment. Now need to connect the main transistor, main amplifier transistor. We also can change this transistor, no problem. We must have to use a good heatsink and must have to use the separator. If we don't use the separator, then the voltage will short circuit. I am using thermal paste. Very important things. Always use thermal paste to protect the transistor from heat, from overheat. This paste helps to the transistor. To reduce the heat. This is a common amplifier circuit board and so popular also. And this pair transistor also so popular in this world. If we want to make a good watt, we have to use a good voltage. Only a best voltage can make a best watt. Best voltage can make a good output. Now I am fixing this transistor to the circuit. Wait for a while, please give me some time. We also can use here TIP 4142, TIP 3132, Now need to solder now I'm soldering this transistor with the circuit. The middle leg is the collector, right one is the emitter, and left one is the base leg. Left one base, middle one collector, right one is emitter. Now the circuit is ready to use. It's so popular amplifier. Not only popular, it's so easy diagram. Again, I am telling you that if you want this circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There I have this circuit diagram. Now I am going to check this amplifier. The red wire is the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage. The black one is the negative voltage. White wire is the ground voltage. White wire is the ground voltage. Now let's go to check the voltage. How many voltage we are going to use. I am going to plug in the plug. I am going to check the DC voltage. DC voltage. The white wire is the ground, red one is positive 26, negative 26. 26 to 26 voltage. Without ground 52.5 voltage. Without ground 52 voltage. This is the 52 voltage. Without ground. Now I am going to check voltage to the circuit. This is the ground. This is the negative voltage. Positive voltage. Speaker out, no voltage. There is no voltage in the output. That means it's okay. Speaker output, check the output, AC output. AC voltage. You know that the output should be AC. The ground and speaker output. Now I am going to touching the audio input. Then it get voltage. Touching the input. Then output got voltage, AC voltage. Touching input, output got AC voltage. That means circuit is fully okay. It's working well. Now I am going to check this circuit using one speaker. Where is my speaker? This is the LG one. 6-layer coil, 200 watt. Base speaker, excellent speaker. I like this speaker. Now to connect this speaker to the circuit. The red wire is the output for the speaker. The black one need to connect with the ground voltage for the speaker. Now I am going to check the speaker. It's so heavy speaker. So heavy. Look, it's working. When I am touching the audio input, then speaker is working. That means circuit has no problem. It's fully okay. Fully okay. Wait for a while. I am going to check the circuit using audio input. Now I am going to connect this audio input wire to this circuit. This is the ground wire for audio input, and this is left and right, two wire has. I'm using one audio input because this is mono circuit. I have to use one. Now I am playing one song using this mobile phone. Look, it's working. Wow, it makes so bass. Sorry, I cannot play the song because the YouTube copyright issue. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics Mike Potti, Joshua. Thank you.